In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Twitch app on your Android smartphone. So if you want to get this Twitch app, then follow these steps to get it. Should you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. So to get Twitch app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for this app called Play Store. And from here, log into your account. So you can see I've logged in here with my Google account, that is your Gmail account, and you should see we have an option to search on top here. If you can't see this search option, then you should find a search icon down below. Go ahead and just tap on it and then search the app like that. I'll search Twitch and then tap on enter, and you can see we have our Twitch app here. To know that it is the right app, make sure it is this Twitch live streaming, and it must be from Twitch Interactive, and at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4.7 with over 5 million reviews. Currently, this app has been downloaded over 100 million times. So if you see these details, you'll know that you have the right app. To get it now, tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Twitch and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can go ahead and launch your Twitch app straight from here. Or if we go to apps, now you can see we have our Twitch app here. So if I tap on it, this is the welcoming interface. Proceed and create an account or log into your current account to start using it. So that's how you can install the right Twitch app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.